Cement o
Conveyor.
cement, yung power car na to? Coal, no? So we're approaching ito, yung coal power plant sa Sarangani, Alsons.
There, it's there, up there.
Ito, Sarangani
It's up there.
Energy Corporation,
It's
right
up there.
side. Dito yung kanya conveyor.
Cool siguro from there.
Galing doon sa dagat, no? Higop.
Ano yan? Yung
Dito
may
pala siya.
conveyor.
Sa kanila pa rin yun.
Ayan. It's a big area. Kanilang plant.
Kanila pa
Another
rin, no?
gate. Yes. Constructing another facility.
Itong coconuts. Coconut country. Maraming tubig. Maasim.
Someone's calling you. Ice Alvarez.
Okay, baka pa niya. Stop mo yung video.